Hello. Well, today we're going to be making banana bread. This is something that you can use for yourself. You can freeze and eat later. You can give away. A lot of times I'll give them away for our church staff or other people, and definitely our family loves it. So we're going to start off with an easy thing with using Bisquick. So we have 3 cups of Bisquick already measured out. So 3 cups of Bisquick, and then add 2 eggs, a half a cup of milk, and 2/3 cup of sugar. So that's your main ingredients. And then we will add a teaspoon of vanilla. Always good to add in when you're baking. And to give it a little extra flavor, we'll do a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a fourth a teaspoon of nutmeg. And of course, to make it banana bread, we got to have a banana. So we have smushed up bananas, and make sure they are ripe. And that's a good reason to use them before they go totally bad, is to make banana bread. So as we get that started, then just mix that up for 3 minutes on medium. Okay, now it's been a few minutes and we have it mixed up well. And I've gotten my pan ready. So this is a wonderful one to use because it has the 4 mini loaves that you can use. And it's already been greased with a Crisco shortening and then floured. You can spray it. I don't always spray when you're using the stone. So be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl again. All those mixed up. Okay, so I'm going to pour this into my dish with a lip on it so that it'll pour out into the pan a little easier without making a mess. Okay, so we're ready to pour it into our loaf pan. Again, this is our mini loaf pan, so we need to divide it into 4. And you can start thinking of who you would give these to, but you can also freeze them and they come out well. Just make sure you wrap them well in aluminum foil. After they cool down, make sure you let them cool down before you wrap them. All right, those divided up pretty well. And while that's baking, I just wanted to share a verse with you today. It says, very early in the morning, while it was still dark, Jesus got up, left the house, and went off to a solitary place where he prayed, from Mark 1:35. We can find scripture in a lot of places, and this one is a bookmark that was sent free to me. And these verses, anytime we see them, they give a special meaning to us and just help me with the day and a reminder. So this is a reminder to pray, and we can pray throughout the day. Of course, in the morning, it's good to pray to start your day. Okay, our timer went off and our mini banana bread loaves are ready. And we want to make sure that they're done in the middle. They looked good. So just stick the toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, then they're done. And so they cooked about 35-40 minutes. And if you do not have a mini loaf pan, you're going to use a regular size loaf pan. It'll make 2 of these, and you just cook it a little longer, about 45 minutes. Doing the same, checking it with the toothpick to make sure that it's done in the middle. Enjoy cooking.